Rema just made history as he sold out Benin Stadium for his homecoming concert. Rema has just held one of the biggest concerts in the history of Nigeria. Like, the stadium was filled to the brim as fans just came to have a feel of Rema. It was an amazing show. Rema is causing massive traffic in Benin, Edo State, as fans troop out just to get the feeling of that Remy experience. This is one of the biggest concerts in the history of Benin City. Rema sold out a massive stadium for his homecoming concert. It was a top-notch performance from Rema. He brought out top stars such as Odumodublvck, Shallipoppi, Wara, and a whole lot of Mavis artists from the likes of Crayon, Bayana, and also Magis, as they gave an astonishing performance. It was a fun-filled concert. I just love the fact that artists travel all over the world to give amazing concerts in London, in US, and all over the part of the world, and they decide to come back home to also give his people an amazing concert that shows that no matter everything you do, home is still better. And it was amazing performance as fans enjoyed the performance and gave Rema the support they needed. This is one of the most fantastic performances I've ever seen this year. Okay guys, I'll be sharing with you full highlight of how the performance went down. Drop a comment below, tell what you think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Right now, this whole stadium, from the back to the front, light it up. Lights up, lights up.
Hello. Arrest me. I'll blow you. I'll blow you. Madam, what are you? I love you, but what I know you are doing. Hey, wait, hold on. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to throw you. $2 million for you. Drop my next song. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Shallipoppi. Let's go. Benin City. Let's say congrats to Rema on this stadium. We'll do more next year, we'll do more next 2 years. The after. Now we get the industry, no worry, no shake. I do with blood. Love, bro.
You know what I want you to do for me?
What you want me to do?
Fuck this stadium up.
That's so.
Drop the next one.
That's so. DJ,
hold on.
When I say Charlie, you say Poppy, Charlie. When I say Pluto, you say Mania, Pluto. When I say Pluto, you say Presido, Pluto. Not so, give it to me. Benin City, it's time to party. It's time to party. Let me see you up. That's so. Only J did a plaster. Put a mania. I'm a fat boy. I hope you know the matter. When I say Benin, you say city. Benin City. When I say Edo, you say state. Edo. Now so, now we get on. DJ, give it to me.
Call me Shallipoppi.
And the most c'est ma Bluetooth boy.
Pulling up in a Tesla toy.
Say what? No good. Shallipoppi and Odumodublvck. To me now we fly out in.
Inside out your area.
Another area inside.
Inside out your area.
Another area inside.
Inside out your area. So.
Another area
Inside out your area. Wait. All these Elon Musk boys. BTC, dead body. He dead. Mommy, dead body. Say. All these Elon Musk boys. Dead body. Say. BTC, dead body. In a Tesla key, pulling up in a Tesla swear. No bitch boy, say, no good day. First day low key, no good day. Shallipoppi and walk all day. Plutomania, we fly your day. Inside that your area, so that one. Inside that your area, confirm. Remy boy. DJ, give me another one, so. I love you, Benin City, I love you. Make some noise for Shallipoppi, for Odumodublvck, for Zeri.
So, who give me this hat? Hey, come.
Wait, hold on, bro. This is my face and Queen India's face. This is what I like to see. Oh, we're not be twins.
10 million.
Now, who got drawn?
Money now,
I want 2 drawn. 2 million for both of you. I love you. Thank you. I appreciate you. Benin, are you ready for this one? Now give me space, bro. One place like this. Chopper.
Thank you.